there's this popular book and video called The Secret that tells us we can tap into positivity but never really tells you how. And you know, what I submit is that it is not a secret, it's a gift. It's a gift that we all have. And it's in our genes, that our genes manifest in these unique structures in the brain that allow us to tap into that part of what's around us that can make us better people, can make us those empathetic, compassionate, forward-thinking individuals that is truly the gift of being a human being. So when we start off in the book, my task as the neuroscientist, coupled with Dr. Villoldo's task as the shaman, was to outline the science that says that we can create pathways to those brain structures that will allow us to have this experience. And that process by which we connect is called neuroplasticity. So the brain has this ability to rewire itself upon demand. We can choose to strengthen those pathways to those areas of the brain that will allow us a deeper spiritual experience. And that's basically the neuroscience of enlightenment. That's basically the subtitle of the book. And obviously the book's about, well, how do you make that happen? But again, the point is that we can enhance that connection to those structural parts of the brain for those individuals, those scientists who need that objective evidence, which is now coming out every day, that we can enhance connection to the prefrontal cortex. So this morning, I did a Fox News interview. So the book focuses on how do we turn on our genes to make those pathways happen. And we know that things like exercise, calorie restriction, periodic fasting, adding certain nutrients to our diet like coconut oil, activate the genes, turn on our DNA to create something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, that strengthens our pathways, strengthens our connections to those areas of the brain that we happen to be using at that point, enhancing, for example, meditative experience. New brain. When I was in medical school, we were taught that neurons didn't grow. We were given our whatever 100 billion neurons, and then every time you had a beard, you'd lose 20,000 or whatever. They didn't teach us that in med school, but that was after school we learned that. But the beauty is that we can modify our gene expression to enhance the growth of new brain cells. So we can grow a new brain and then lead that brain to where we want it to go and make new connections.